Hey everyone, welcome back. One of my subscribers asked for me to demonstrate how I would make a very simple and easy breakfast for seniors. So I'm not sure if she's referring to seniors who live alone or seniors who live with family. I'm assuming she's referring to seniors who live alone. So I'm going to target that and stay there. So I'm going to show you how I make a quick, very nutritious, very delicious breakfast for seniors. And most importantly, they do not need to stand in front of the stove to make it. So the first one I'm going to demonstrate is how to make a delicious, nutritious breakfast parfait. And maybe I'll make one more, demonstrate one more. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients I need for my breakfast parfait. You need some yogurt, and you can use some whole milk yogurt or some low-fat yogurt. Any yogurt of your choice is fine. You are going to need some blueberries or any berries of your choice. I like to stick to berries in the parfait, especially for seniors, because the berries, as you guys know, are packed with antioxidants, guys, and we need all the antioxidants we can get, especially as we get older. And I'm also going to use some strawberries. You can also go ahead and use any fruit of your choice. If you love blackberries, oranges, whatever you like, you can also make this parfait with. You are also going to need some granola, and you can use low sugar or no sugar granola. And you are going to need some cinnamon powder. I'm using my Ceylon cinnamon. If you cannot find, just use any cinnamon powder, guys. The cinnamon is really good, especially for the seniors, because it helps, and it's good for anybody, because cinnamon helps regulate your blood sugar. I'm going to add some granola to the bottom of my bowl here. And I like my granola both on the bottom and the top of my yogurt. You add your blueberries. And I love blueberries, so as much as you want. And for this, you do not need a stove top. You do not need to be near your stove at all. Add some more granola on top. And then you sprinkle with some cinnamon, about half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Garnish with some mint. And that's it. This is how I would make my delicious fruit and granola parfait for seniors to enjoy. I hope you found it helpful. Now I'm going to show you one more. Okay guys, so this is my next breakfast idea for seniors. And as you can see, it's the vitamin C, it's the omega-3s, it's the protein, it's the antioxidants. And it is very senior friendly. They do not need to be in front of the stovetop. The only reason they'll need to be in front of the stovetop is to boil the eggs. So it's best to just cook all of your eggs at one time, so that way it's easy when it's time to make breakfast, especially for seniors who live at home or for anyone who is pressed for time. A tip to you, just go ahead, buy your dozen eggs, buy your 2 dozen eggs, and just boil all of it at one time. The seniors need the vitamin C. The vitamin C is very important. And not just the seniors, we all need the vitamin C. But as we get older, as much vitamin C that we can get into our diets as possible, we should get. And this one is a very simple one, especially for the seniors who live alone. Or even if you're a senior who lives with your family, you can still take a very big part, play a very big part in what you eat. Unless you can't do it yourself. And it's a good tip for the families. You can go ahead and make these ahead of time and just store them in your fridge, in your refrigerator. Slice up your orange. And always make your plates visually appealing, especially for seniors, because sometimes as you get older, you tend to not have a big appetite. So when you make your plate visually appealing, your brain tells you that you need to eat because it looks good. You want to eat. Use a beautiful plate and plate your breakfast out nicely, or your lunch, or your dinner. And this is where all the omega-3s live, guys. So please don't underestimate the avocado. I love avocados. I have an avocado every day for lunch. And although you can see that this breakfast is very simple, this breakfast is very, very filling. And by the time I'm done, the plate will be full. So this will be a full breakfast. This will fill you up. Your hard-boiled eggs. Some blueberries. Garnish. And this is breakfast idea number 2 for our fabulous seniors. If you have seniors at home, or you have seniors who live on their own, so they may want to be able to prepare their own simple meals on their own without too much effort. So this is breakfast option number 1, yogurt, fruit and granola parfait. Very easy to make, very nutritious, very delicious. And this is breakfast option number 2, our egg, avocado and fruit platter. Very nutritious also, very refreshing, very delicious. And this is what you're looking for. Delicious, nutritious, guys. It has to taste good. It has to look visually appealing. And it has to do what it's supposed to do for the elderly body. So we have our protein, our omega-3s, our vitamin C, and our antioxidants. In the yogurt, we have our protein, our antioxidants, our fiber in the granola, and our cinnamon to regulate our blood sugar. Guys, and that's it. This is my 2 breakfast ideas for seniors who live alone, or even independent seniors who live with family, this is 2 ideas that they can make on their own. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until the next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.